So we have discussed, children. Good morning, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon, children. So we have, yes, good afternoon. We have discussed all the properties of multiplication, and in the last class, we have done the multiplier with the 2 digits. Okay, children. So today we are going to do with 3 digits. Okay. So can you tell me till which question we have completed?
14.
Till 14.
14. 14.
Okay. So we had to do from question number 15. Yes, Anthony. Can you? Yes, good afternoon. Anthony, can you read question number 15?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Find the product. 6,600 gave a homework.
Yes, Ammu.
Ma'am, you had given a homework.
Okay, okay. We'll check later. Okay. Okay. Yes, 6,609 multiplied by
218.
218. So the first number multiplicand and the second number multiplier have 3 digits. Okay. So here only thing, what is the difference will be there?
Ma'am,
When
question
we have
number?
question number 15 from page number 51. Okay, children. So what's the first 2 rows? There is no difference, but in third row you have to start with 2 zeros. That is only thing that is different with 3 digit numbers here. Last class we have discussed with 2 digits. There we have
Ma'am, can you
one
beat me?
place. Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, can you beat me?
Okay. Okay, children. So shall we start with the question number 15? See,
Yes, ma'am.
all the children, please. We will do 15A and 16A now, but B of 15 and 16 you have to do after this class. Before the
Ma'am,
next.
I have done.
Okay, you have done. So we can check your check our answers also. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So we are going to all the children start with writing the place values. Place value.
Ma'am, we should write in our workbook.
If you have any doubt, you can do in your rough book. Then later on, you can copy to.
Ma'am.
Okay. So children, first thing you have to line up properly. All the children, we have to line up properly. We have 6. I told you always you can don't write like near to the margin. So if in our answer, if one more place it's coming, no, you will not be getting place. So always write like always in the middle. So it will be 6609 multiplied by. Children, if you know, you can do alone and later on you can check 218. So here we have ones place, ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Okay. Angelina, can you please unmute?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me maximum? Here 4 digits we have.
Yes.
Here we have 3 digits in the multiplicand and multiplier. So can you tell me in the product? Maximum.
7 digit.
Okay. Maximum 4 plus 3 equal to 7 digit can be. So children, like that you can think. Okay, now here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 places only. So you have to at least write till 10,000 maybe, 10,000 lakh. Okay, children, then you can start. Why we have 7 digit? Because in our questions we have 4 and 3 digits. So children, that's why I told you don't write near the margin. Okay. You can, okay. Adinath, can you please do the ones multiplication with one space here? 8, which is that number in 8? 8. Yes. 8 into 9. 72. So I will write here 2 and the carry over 7 here. 7. Okay. 8 into 0,
0,
0 plus 7.
7.
7. Children, don't
7.
forget to add the carryover. Okay. Next one, 8 into 6.
Ma'am,
Ah.
46.
8 into 6. 8 into 6.
48, 48.
48. Okay. 8 here. Then 4 carryover. Okay. 8 into 6, 48. Okay. Again, 8 into 6, 48 plus 4.
52.
52.
2.
Okay, children. So, it's 52. 52872. Okay. Fia, please unmute and tell me what we will do next. Then second row. Which number we will start with?
First, 0.
0. Because we are starting with tens place. Multiply with tens. Okay. This is very easy. 1 into 9. If you multiply 1 with any number, same number itself. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
1 into 9.
9.
9. Then 1 into 0.
Ma'am, 0.
0. 1 into 6,
6.
6. 1 into 6 again,
6.
6. Okay, children. So line up properly. All the children, you have to line up properly. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, Daniel. Next one, Daniel, please unmute. How will Daniel?
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, it's compulsory that we need to write place value.
No,
Yes, ma'am.
it's not compulsory. Because
Okay,
we
ma'am.
are doing first, like after first 2, 3, like practice and all, no need to do again. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. I have not written that, so I asked.
Okay, okay. So, Daniel, can you please unmute? Yes, Daniel, what's the problem? Please unmute.
Ma'am, first when I looking, the host is not.
Okay, okay. Now you can tell me. Okay.
Ma'am,
In the third row, I'm going to start with. How many zeros I had to add?
ma'am, 1 0.
Only 1 0. That I have already done in second row.
Ma'am, 2 0.
We are going to start with 100. Here 200. I'm going to start with 100. So how many zeros?
2 zeros.
2 zeros we have to start. This is the children, don't make mistake here. We are going to multiply with 100 place. In 100 we have to keep 2 zeros and line up properly. Okay. Okay. Yes. Start. 2 into 9. Yes. Daniel.
Yes, ma'am.
2 into 9. Start the last. 2 into 9.
18.
18. I will write here 8. 2 into 9. 18. Then start. 2 into 0.
0 itself.
0 plus.
Sorry, 2 itself.
2 into 0 is 2 itself. 2 into 0. Any number multiplied with 0.
0.
Any number multiplied with 0 is 0. That is what we learned in our zero property. Understood? Zero property. Okay. Tell me. 2 into 0 is 0. 0 plus 1.
0 plus 1 is equal to 1.
1. Okay. Again. Now 2 into 6.
26.
Multiplied with 2. Daniel, this much time?
12.
12. Okay, you have to do faster. 6 2s are 12 and carry over 1. Okay. Again, 6 2s are
13.
12 plus 1, 13. So children, line up properly, then we can add. Okay, so we are going to now add. Amanat? Okay, Srihari, can you please unmute and add? 2. 2 plus 0 plus 0. Add and tell me the answer. Srihari, please unmute. After unmute, you are again, it's coming. Manu, can you please add? Please, Manu, please unmute. Please unmute.
Ma'am.
Okay, add and tell me the answer. 2 plus 0 plus 0.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 plus
I think some connection problem. I cannot hear properly. Okay, Chris Joe, please unmute and speak. Chris Joe. Yes. Chris, unmute and speak. Anandesh, please unmute and speak.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, add and tell me 2 plus 0 plus 0.
2.
2. When we add, this is 2. Okay, 7 plus 9.
16.
16. Carry over 1.
1.
Okay, 1 plus 8.
1 plus 8, 9.
9 plus 8.
9 plus 8, 17.
17. 7 here. 1 carry over. Okay, 1 plus 2.
3.
3 plus 6.
3 plus 6, 9.
9 plus 1.
10.
10. Carry over 1 here. 1 plus 5.
6.
6 plus 6.
12.
12 plus 2.
14.
14. And 1 carry over here. 1 plus 3.
4.
4. And here 1. So the answer is 1440762. Okay, children, all of you got the, I'm going to here. Can you tell me the, where will I place the numbers after 3 digit, then 2 digit? Can you read this number? 14 lakh. Yes, Richard, read this number
Yes,
name.
ma'am.
Read the number name.
14
lakh.
40,762.
40,762. So children, it's here, it's not this lakh we have, 10 lakh also, 10 lakh and lakh we have. So children, can you count the number of digits, Isha? Can you count the number of digits in the product?
The number of digits in the products are 7 digits.
Is 7 digit. Okay. So here we see here 4 plus 3 equal to 7. That is correct. So it's maximum, it's 7 digits. Okay, maximum 7 digits. So this here in our answer we have 7 digit itself. So the answer is 14 lakh 40,762.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children, all of you got the correct answer. Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Children, any doubt?
No.
Only thing, you have to place the number one below the other exact. You have to line up. Then
can you share
in
the screen?
10th place in the second row, you have to add 1 0. And in our third row, that is multiplied with 100, you have to add 2 zeros.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, we draw the place value. We should put the boxes.
Yes, boxes. That will be helpful.
Ma'am,
Okay.
can you show the screen once more?
One more time. So I will tell you one more time. So you can start 16A now. Of 15B you will do later. Now you are going to do 16A. Look at the place value. No, you look at the question number 6. It's 15A. Question number 15A we have done. 15B you will do after this class. Now you are going to do 16A alone, all of you. 16A.
Ma'am, alone?
Alone, yes. I will start with you. I will help you. Okay? Who was writing the book? It's okay, clear?
Ma'am, can you rub the board?
Yes.
Ma'am, rub the board. Ma'am, 15B we should do, or 16A we should do.
15B after the class. 16A now. We are going to discuss now. Okay. We will discuss that answer now.
Ma'am, I finished.
You just start, then we will do together. Okay. So, Harsha, can you tell me question number 16A? 16A. Read the question.
58.
Louder, Harsha. Louder.
58,265 multiplied by 73.
3. Okay, Harsha, can you guess in the product how many digits will be there maximum? We have 5 and 2 digit numbers. Yes, Harsha?
Ma'am, lakh.
No, tell me the number of digits. Maximum, how many digits we can be in there in the product?
6.
Huh?
7.
7. 5 plus 2, that is 7. Okay. Okay, children, start. We have 5, 8, 5, 8, 2, 6, 5. So, children, write like almost in the middle little bit.
We should draw the place value. We should draw the place value
Yes.
for
And
16A.
7, 3. We have 7, 16A also we can draw. If you don't want to draw, it's okay. Because we have done only till 15, no? Okay. Isha, can we start multiplication? Start with ones.
5 times 3.
Okay.
5 times
Start
3.
with which place? Which place value?
Ones
Ones.
place.
Okay, ones place. Here in the number is 3. Okay, tell me. 3 into 5?
15.
15. Carry over 1. Okay.
Yes.
6 threes are
18.
18 plus 1?
19.
19. Okay. Carry over 1. Okay. 3 twos are
6.
6 plus 1? 7.
7.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now 3, 8.
3 into 8 is 20. 23.
Yes. 8 into 3. See, I have never seen in our like 1 to 10 table, there is no 23. Is there any 23 in the end? Like
Ma'am,
answer?
I know it's 24.
24, yes. 24. 8 into 3 is 24. Then I'll keep here 2 carryover. Okay. 5 threes are?
5 threes are 15.
15 plus, which carryover? 15 plus 2.
Yes.
Ma'am, the carryover you have done and 8. Carryover should be on
Okay, here. Okay. So the answer is correct, yes? 17. So here 17, the answer is correct, 17, 4795. Okay. Amna, start the second row, multiplication with tens place.
Ma'am,
Yes. Amna?
5 into 7.
How will I start? How will I start? Second row. I will start with here the number 5 into 3, 5 into 7, 35 like this. No. 0. That is very important. Okay. We should hear 0. Okay. So now start with the 7 into 5. Now because we finish multiplying with 3, now no need to look at the ones digit. Okay. 7 into 5?
35.
35. So where will I place the carryover?
On 6.
Here. On top I am writing. Okay. 5 into 7, 35. Carryover 3. 6 sevens are?
42.
42 plus 3? 45.
42 plus 48, 45.
Okay. 4 carryover. Now This over. 7 twos are 14 plus 4, 18. One carry over. Deva, can you please continue? Because I think there's some network problem. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
We have done till which 7 into 5, 35. Carry over 3. 6 sevens are 42 plus 3, 45. 4 carry over. 7 twos are 14 plus 4,
15 plus 4,
18. This is 18. 18. 1, 7, 4, 7, 9. Okay, then 8 into 7.
56.
56 plus carry over.
1. 56 plus 1.
56 plus 1, 50.
57.
7. Okay, carry over. Then 5 is carry over. 5, 7. 35 plus 5.
35 plus 5, 40.
40. Then carry over 4. 40. It's 4 and 0. Okay. So can you add and tell me the answer?
5.
5 plus 0 is 5.
9 plus 5 is 14.
9 plus 5 is 14. Carry over 1. 1 plus 7.
13.
8 plus 5. 13. Carry over 1. 1 plus 4. 5 plus 8.
13.
13 again. Here 1.
15.
15. 7 plus 7. 14 plus 1. 15. 5 and write the carry over here 1. 1 plus 1.
1 plus 1, 2.
2. Then
4.
4. Okay, very good. Felix, can you tell me how many digits in the answer that is product?
7 digits.
7 digits. So in our here first one we have 5 digits. The second number we have 5 plus 2 we have 7 digits. Okay, 7 digits. So how you can read this answer, Gautam? Can you read the product? Yes.
42 lakh.
42 lakh.
53,345.
345. Okay. 42 lakh 53,345. All of you got the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Check the answer fast.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, do you hear me? Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, can you hear me properly?
Ma'am,
Can
can
you
I
tell me your
share the
name?
board, please?
Yes. I will show the board. Okay. Who was calling me?
Ma'am,
Amna. I think some network problem is there. Okay, Amna.
no, but ma'am, here we are using high speed only program here.
But some like interruption in the sound I can hear.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
Who cannot see the screen?
Ma'am, I meant.
Ayman also used to have this. Please check. Again, I have shared one more time.
Now I can see it, ma'am.
Okay. Those children who have finished 16A, you can start now 16B.
Ma'am, I finished 16.
Finished.
Ma'am, I finished. Ma'am, I finished.
Okay, those who have not done, they can do now.
Ma'am, can I do 17 question?
17.
Yes, ma'am.
That we have to write the steps, no?
Ma'am, I will write the steps.
Okay. So we are going to do now 16B. Okay, children, we have time? Yes. Yes? Can
It's
we
only
do
4 more
16?
minutes. 4 more
That's
minutes.
not the problem. You need it to.
So we can do that now. 4 minutes there.
4 more minutes.
4 more minutes. We can complete that one. So you can do only 15B later after this class. So children, 16B. Those children who have finished, what you have to do? You have to check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Others, you can do now alone and check.
Ma'am, 15B is a homework.
16B we are going to do now. 15B you can do as homework. Now we are doing 16B. 2, 4, 3, 6, 7.
It is homework.
Homework means after this class, before the next period. Okay. Only one question I will give. Huh?
Which one you want to do?
Now which one we are doing now? Look at the board.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Look at the board.
16.
16. Homework is 15B.
Oh, 15 to be okay, ma'am. Ma'am, let's start 16B.
Yes, yes. Start alone. All of you. Do alone. And check whether your answer is correct or wrong. Mother, can you add and tell me the answer? Add. 2 plus 0?
2.
2. Here we have 0. 5 plus 2?
Ma'am, 2.
5 plus 2?
7.
7. 6 plus 3?
9.
9. 4 plus 8?
12.
12. 1 carry over. 1 plus 1? 2 plus 1?
3.
3. Here we have 2 and 1. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 9, 7, 0, 2. So how will you place the comma?
10, 100, 1000, 10.
Can you read this number?
Okay, ma'am. 1
Count how many digits?
1 crore,
1 crore,
23,000,
23 crore, then 1,000. 1
23
crore, 23 lakh. Very good. 1 crore, 23 lakh,
29,000,
29,000, 702.
702.
Okay. So children, if you want to do omit, some children, if you are fast enough or if you are confident enough, you can omit this step. But in the third step, you have to remember, or in the second step, if you are omitting this step, because you know multiplied with 0, all the answer will be in the second row will be 0, but you have to remember you have to put 20. So better you can write this step. Otherwise, sometimes you will be make mistakes. Okay, children? All of you got the correct answer?
Can you show board? Can you show board? For 16B, we should draw the place value chart. Now for 16B, we should draw
Okay,
the
Angelina,
place
I
value.
told it's optional. If you want, otherwise, okay. Okay. Here, look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits in the first number and 3 digits in the second number. And in the product, how many? 8. Nandida? Nandida, in the product, how many digits? Nandida? How
Yes,
many
ma'am.
digits in the product? Here we have 5 and here we have, so maximum it can be 8 digit. Okay, so in our product, how many digits are there, Nandida? Yes, Amna, how many digits, Amna? How many digits in our answer?
Ma'am, what is the question?
How many digits in our answer, in the product? How many digits you can find?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
8 digits.
8 digits. Okay, 8 digits. So how will read this number? 1 crore 23 lakh 29,702. So children, I'm going to,
Yes,
the time
ma'am.
is up. I will send the notes after the class.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Children,
Thank you, ma'am.
I want all students
Thank you,
to
ma'am.
do 15
Thank you, ma'am.
now itself. Then only you will go for lunch. What I'm saying? 15B. Only one question you have homework.
15B, I have done, ma'am.
Those who have not done, children, please, it will take only maximum 5 minutes. You can do and you can have your lunch.
Okay, ma'am.
After lunch, I will send the notes and check yourself
Excuse me,
whether
ma'am.
your answer is correct or wrong. Yes, who is calling me?
Excuse. Ma'am, Nandida.
Yes, Nandida.
Ma'am, I'm facing some internet connection problem.
Okay, I understood that. Okay, some internet.
Ma'am, question number 17, we can
That
do.
we can do in the next period.
Okay, ma'am.
We have 240. Only one question I gave you as homework, 15B. And after your lunch, I will send the notes. Then you can check yourself and come for the next period. We will start with the word problems. Okay, children, bye.
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 Thank you, ma'am.